We live in the age of infinite content. Every single day, millions of videos are uploaded and millions of voices are screaming for attention. It is incredibly easy to make noise right now, but it is harder than ever to find a signal. You are an established expert. You have a proven track record, a powerful mission, and a solution that actually changes lives. But right now, your market doesn't know that. Right now, you feel completely invisible. You aren't struggling because you lack talent. You are struggling because the world is noisy and your expertise is silent. You are shouting into a void. And the worst part? You tried to fix it the way everyone else did. You bought the AI tools, you chased the viral hooks, you fed the algorithm what you thought it wanted. But that isn't a strategy. That's a casino. And when you let the machine write your story, you produce slop. AI slop doesn't fail because it lacks structure. It fails because it lacks you. Your audience can sense when there isn't a real person behind the screen. Authenticity is not a bonus, it is the baseline. Perfection signals AI. Imperfection signals a real human. You must stop trying to be perfect, stop acting like a cook copying recipes, and start bringing your true earned scars to the table. We are Cinegraph Media, a strategic storytelling studio. We don't just follow trends. We master the principles of storytelling. We believe that to cut through the static, you don't need a better camera. You need a story engine. We digitize your competence, and we build your undeniable authority. To build that engine, you must undergo an identity shift. You have to stop thinking like a cook and become a content chef. The cook blindly follows recipes. They paste generic ChatGPT prompts, hoping for a viral hit. But when the algorithm changes, they panic. They create slop that tastes exactly like everyone else's. To build that engine, you must undergo an identity shift. You have to stop thinking like a cook and become a content chef. The chef understands the principles of emotion and structure. They use AI as a sous chef to chop the vegetables for speed, but they design the menu. A chef provides the authentic human signal that a machine simply cannot fake. And this is the part they don't tell you in the AI tutorial. Authenticity is not a style choice. It is a survival strategy. Your audience has been lied to by algorithms so many times that they have developed a sixth sense for fake. One genuine moment, a stumble, a real laugh, a sentence that sounds like you does more for your brand than 1,000 polished AI sentences. The machine can mimic, it cannot be you. To stop posting noise, you don't need another generic template. You need a system. Inside our studio, our clients use a 12-person AI set crew to run their entire strategy. Today, I am handing you one of our sharpest weapons for free, the head of market reality. Their only job is to destroy your marketing fluff before it ruins your video. Steal this prompt, copy it. Paste it directly into your AI, followed by your current script. Act as my script supervisor, head of continuity. I'm going to paste my video script below. You must ruthlessly scan my text for AI slop and corporate jargon. Run the grunt test. If a caveman cannot understand what I am saying in 5 seconds, it fails. Highlight every generic sentence, explain why it sounds like a robot wrote it, and rewrite it to sound like a passionate human talking to a friend. Here is my script. You just fixed your script, but a script is only 10% of the battle. Right now, that AI still doesn't know who you are. It doesn't know your origin story, your scars, or your authentic authority, the undeniable proof that you have actually lived what you are teaching. It has no soul. And an audience can feel a soulless script the moment the first word hits their ears. If you take that script and just wing it on camera, you will still create the cringe cut, a robotic, terrifying performance that feels like a hostage video. To kill the cringe cut and stop the daily content grind, you must train the machine on your authentic voice. You don't need another course. You need a studio. Inside Story First, you aren't just learning a framework. You are installing a complete AI studio operating system directly into your business. It starts before the camera ever rolls. This isn't a masterclass you watch. This is a system you run to create content that actually feels human. Inside the studio, we build your signal map. The table is set. The crew is online. You have the story. We have the studio. Let's make something they can't ignore.